India has come to a halt. But your life and my life will go on as usual, much as usual. And you know why? You know why we don't have to worry about getting sick because the doctor's a call away. You know why we didn't have to worry about our families stuck abroad in countries that have become the hotbed of the COVID-19 epidemic. Do you know why we don't have to worry about our daily bread and butter and medicines? Do you know why we don't have to worry about water supply, electricity supply, and cleanliness around us in general? That's because essential service providers are out there as we speak and doing their duties. Doctors, nurses, airline staff, sanitation workers. And you know what is disturbing? It's disturbing to see that people are discriminating against the very persons who are making India run, even as the rest of us have come to a standstill. Hear this.
My job says that I have to be there on my duty, and being a part of a reputed company, my company is taking complete precautions which is required to me to be safe from COVID-19. In spite of that, people are spreading rumors in my locality that I'm suffering with corona.
Airline staff had put their lives at risk to evacuate Indians who were stranded abroad. They brought them back here safely, and they're still reporting to work to run emergency flights. And what they get in return are neighbors who are spreading rumors that the airline staff, have been infected by the COVID-19. Now, airline staff have been taking all precautions against this disease much before any of us even took it seriously. Read this letter by the resident doctors of AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. They are crying out for help because doctors and nurses are being evicted by their landlords for fear that they will carry the disease to their neighborhoods. Now, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, they take all precautions to ensure that they don't become the bearers of this disease. Doctors, nurses, airline staff, everyone who's out there right now battling this outbreak, they are our frontline workers. Doctors especially, they are the soldiers in this fight against the virus. You don't need to carry out vigilantism against them. You don't need to preach to them. They know fully well what the repercussions of this disease can be, and they are taking all precautions. You see anyone harassing doctors and nurses and other staff, emergency staff, you must intervene. And the Home Ministry has also taken this matter very seriously. The Home Ministry has said that the police are equipped. The police can take action against people who are harassing these essential service providers, and any obstruction, any harassment against them is going to be treated as an obstruction to carrying out the duties of essential service providers. Testing times show us the mirror. They show us who we truly are. Let this mirror now reflect a humane society, be responsible, and be guided by verified information. Share this video with your family and friends.